Welcome, dear friends, to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Today I would like to just share a brief message, and that's concerning a few days ago I came up with this great idea that I would want to do a special offer on markbajerski.com. And so many people were reaching out to me saying, why am I feeling bad? Why is everything going wrong? Why am I getting these headaches, these feelings, this negative energy around me and in my house? And I thought, okay, well, the only thing that I really, truly believe in is sage. And sage is probably one of the most powerful things that I ever used in my career as a healer. So I thought, why don't I work out how much sage I would use through the year in this academy? And if it was just a normal month, it would be twice a month, like once every 2 weeks. So how many bags do I need to do this place? Well, I need half a bag to do this place. Okay, so if I give one full bag, that's 1 month. So if I get 12 bags, that's 1 year's supply. So that was a great idea. So if you buy these individual on my website, they'd cost you €240. So if you bought 1 year's supply, it costs you €240. For each bag is a certain amount, which worked out at that. So I thought, okay, let's do a deal. Let me do this and get it out there to people who can't afford, and maybe, I mean, you could go down to your local store and buy a stick which might cost you £8, £12. So you imagine how much is in there with your sticks. It's a great value, plus they're organic. So I got them, and then I thought, well, why don't we include something else? Why don't we include, like, if you break half a stick off, like for that 1 week gap, perfect, we'll use the Sacred Negative Energy sticks. So I'll throw in 3 boxes, which is £40, should cost you. So now we're nearly up to €300. And then I thought, what could be more beautiful than putting a crystal around the neck, not only for protection, for cleansing, but for absorbing negative energy, which is one of these, which is a beautiful piece of tektite, whether it comes from Cambodia or Thailand or wherever it comes from. We have a great selection of them. So I said, why don't we add one of these in? And whether it's €90 or it's 150, 180, €190 piece, add it to it. So now you've got all of that together. And then I said, let's do it by DHL, which means worldwide DHL. And they said, okay, let's do that as well, free DHL. And then I said, I'm gonna do a video and tell everybody. So I did a video and told everybody. And to be honest, I'm not Einstein, okay? I'm just a normal guy who sometimes makes mistakes. And I didn't counter for the amount of orders what would come in. And within a space of an hour, we'd run out of sage. Because my thinking is, oh yeah, we've got enough sage. No, we didn't. We had nowhere near enough sage. So this morning I took a deep breath, and so did the staff. We managed to send out everybody what we promised. However, we had to put a stop to it because we just didn't have enough sage. And so then we kind of like, we had no option. Sorry, we can't honour that what we said we'd honour for 7 days. So after 2 days we just couldn't do it anymore, switch it off. So we took the order off, and then we got a lot of abuse. And that really bothers me, you know. It's not that we did anything wrong per se, it's just I didn't think before I did it, and that's normally Mark Bajerski. I don't think, I just do things. And you know, this order should have been hundreds and hundreds of euros, but I said, let's just get it out there for 100, and I can't remember how much it was, 140, something like that. And there was so many orders came in that now I had to grab all the sage, all the kilos and kilos of sage, and start working my butt off, not being able to do anything else. through the day and night. So I literally wore my hands out and I was exhausted. For all those who were negative and said negative things and sent me negative messages, I wish you wouldn't do that. I wish you wouldn't react so negatively, because you've known me so many years. Have I ever let you down? I haven't. The reason why I stopped it is because I didn't know whether our suppliers, which is only a small family, had enough sage to be able to bag it up and then send it to me. So I'm making this video now to say, thank God, thank God, we have now got enough sage, and it's going to arrive. Well, I have to go and pick it up now from the Alpujarras tomorrow. So I will be getting 140 280 kilos. So we're going to be okay. I've got enough Tektites. I'm fine with Tektites. I've just finished working on a full supply of these, so I have to do them at home. So we're all okay. Everything's okay. And this offer, you're right, yeah, it was silly really, because we can't run a business if we keep doing this, but I'm going to honour it. I should have thought about it a bit more, but it's okay. I'm happy to get it out there. So it's all good. So your orders will be honoured. Your emails will be honoured, even if you were a scallywag, a silly Billy, and reacting stupid to me or the staff. Mainly it comes to me. Mainly them silly messages come to me. And I'll honour you even if you've been silly to me. No problem. It's okay. I understand you're going through a bad time. I get it. So now I've asked Arlene to put that offer back on, and it's going to be back on for what I said. So I'm honouring those days. So it's now back on for 5 days. Okay? So here it is. It's all here. This is what comes to you. Okay? Via free DHL worldwide. So I'll leave the link below, and it's going to be there for 5 days. And I'm going to work my butt off, and I'm going to pack each individual bag with sage and put my energy into it, put it into a singing bowl, a Moldavite singing bowl, put the energy into it as well. And I've already worked on the Tektites, so I've got enough Tektites to send to you. And I'll choose a Tektite, whichever I feel is right for you, I'll send to you. So that's it, guys. Yeah, I am a little bit tired. I've got to be honest. I'm a bit tired now. So I'm not going to do a video today about anything. But I am going to link up something. 2 links, only 2 links. The first link is for this offer to honour everybody. And it's going to be up on my website for another 5 days till I think the 2nd of next month. And I'm also going to link one interview that I did last night with the missing link. And I enjoyed it. It was very, very lovely. It was a lovely chat, and it was 2 hours. So if you want to listen to some information on, I think there was some nice information there that might be able to help you and give you a lift up today, make you feel better. Click on that link, and I would just only ask one thing from that link. Please give it a like and subscribe to the link to Jesse, who's a beautiful soul, and send him a nice message saying thank you for interviewing Mark, and just give him some love, because he needs a little bit of healing on his hip. He's just had a hip replacement. So he's a great guy, and I was honoured to be able to share some of my personal stories with him about CERN, about how I started, about all the things that are happening in this world, about why I chose not to eat meat anymore, and so on. So you might enjoy that, you might not. But there you go. That's it. 2 links. First link will be for this beautiful, amazing special offer at an amazing price. And secondly, for the interview that I did last night for 2 hours. So have a great day, and yeah, wish me luck with the bagging up of all the sage. I'll need some energy. Have a great day. Take care. I'm not Einstein. I make mistakes. Now get off, Mr. Bajerski. Sort your life out.